Today we're going to be doing an install on ColorGard 2.0. Just launched a couple days ago, and we're going to show you guys the benefits versus the 1.0, and we're going to get into the install. So first, you're going to set your 2 end clamps, and you're going to string line across and lay down all your clamps, get them all installed. We have found that you can now install the Versa clips on top of the clamp before you put them up on the roof. So when you go to install your clamps, it's just how you'd install a normal S-5 clamp. Alright, once all your clamps are in place, you can have all your Versa clips up on top. We have already pre-assembled our ColorGard extrusion with the splice in the middle. We have an internal splice now. There can be a Versa clip or a snow clip put directly over top of the splice now. There's no more field cutting. There's one cut for the entire system. To put it in, you're just going to come down here below, make sure all your Versa clips are pointed downward, and you're going to pop it in. That easy. It's up there, ready to be locked down. It's awesome because if you look right here, you can now install a Versa clip directly over a splice, so there's no more field cuts. So we don't need to install it directly over the splice, but just a good thing to note. So now what I like to do is I like to set all my snow clips up here so I can just go down the line with my T30 and install all my snow clips and all my Versa clips at the same time. Just like that, one tool for the whole install. And other than that, you'll need a pair of snips to cut your color strip, and that's all you're going to need for it. Impact, some 10 snips, string line, and tape measure to measure up from the eave.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at bigrocksupply.com for roofing and construction tools and equipment.